Assalamu alaikum. I am Sajad and you are watching my YouTube channel Pharma Inform. In this video, we are going to discuss QA versus QC. Mean what is the difference between QA and QC? Every one of you is familiar with quality assurance and quality control. These are very important departments which exist in pharmaceutical industries to ensure and control the quality of a product. But when the question is asked that what is the difference between QA and QC, most of the people do not have much data to answer this question, and they answer like this: QA is the department which is responsible for assuring the quality of product, and QC is the department which is responsible for controlling the quality of product. Some people say that QA is quality assurance and it deals with documentation and in-process checks, and QC is the department which deals with testing. And when they are asked to tell us more difference between QA and QC, they are silent because they have no much data. So in this video, we will discuss more than 9 or 10 common differences which exist between QA and QC. So let's start our video. We will start the difference from definitions. So according to ISO 9000-2015, class number 3.3.6, quality assurance is defined as QA is the part of QMS which focused on providing confidence that quality of a product required will be fulfilled. Mean it provide us a confidence that required quality of a product will be fulfilled. QC according to ISO 9000-2015 class 3.3.7 defines QC as part of QMS focused on fulfilling quality requirements. Mean QC focus on fulfilling the requirements. The next difference is that the general understanding of QA and QC. QA is responsible for assuring quality of pharmaceutical products by defining proper procedures and in-process checks. Mean quality assurance department is responsible for assuring the quality of pharmaceutical products by defining various procedures and in-process checks. Quality control is responsible for controlling the quality of all the raw materials including excipients, active pharmaceutical ingredients, packaging materials and finished products by the testing. Mean quality control perform tests to ensure that our raw materials, APIs, packaging materials and finished products have desired level of the quality. The next one is the difference on the basis of orientation. Quality assurance is process oriented. Mean the main focus of quality assurance is on the processes, and the quality control is product oriented. Mean quality control focus on the product. If you have not subscribed my channel, first of all press subscription button and press the bell icon button. So the next difference is the goal. What is the goal of QA and what is the goal of QC? The goal of QA or ultimate goal of QA is to prevent any defect in the product during dispensing, packaging or manufacturing. Mean QA tries to prevent the defect during all the procedures or processes which are going on in pharmaceutical industries, and the quality control department's ultimate goal is to detect any defect in the product. Mean if there is a defect in any product, this defect is detected by the quality control. QA aim is to build quality in product and QC aim is to detect defect in any product. Mean Visually, we cannot see any defect in the product, but quality control by testing give us clear results regarding any defects of the product. The next one is approach. Quality assurance has proactive approach and quality control has reactive approach. The next one is division. Mean quality assurance is further divided into departments like IPQA, IPQC, batch release, documentation department, and quality control is divided into raw material testing, finished products testing, packaging material testing departments. The next one is when the responsibilities or functions of QA starts and when the working of quality control starts. The responsibility or working of quality assurance starts from the first step of manufacturing, which is dispensing. Mean when we want to dispense any product, the line clearance and control of all the dispensing procedures is done by the quality assurance, and quality control role starts when we complete our product and it is in a finalized form, mean it is in the form of finished product. So when finished product is sampled and sent to the quality control departments, then the responsibility of quality control department starts and it start testing on the product. The next one is that quality assurance department has the authority to audit other departments, but quality control department has no authority to audit other departments. Quality assurance departments deals with customer complaints and it is involved directly in investigation and dealing with the customer complaints, while quality control is not involved directly in dealing customer complaints. If we talk about the examples or roles which are performed by quality assurance, so the generation of SOPs, SCPs, standard operating procedures, standard cleaning procedures, work instructions are all done by the quality assurance department. And if we talk about quality control, then the testing is done by the quality control to control the quality of finished products and raw material. So I hope you are now familiar with the difference between quality assurance and quality control. For a brief overview, first of all, you have to find the difference between definition, then the general understanding of QA and QC, then the orientation, then goal of QA and QC, then approach of QA and QC, division of QA and QC, examples of role played by QA and QC, and last one for explanation is that QA purpose is to build quality in product, mean its aim is to define procedures in such a way that there are no chances of defect which can occur in the product. For this, it defines procedures, SOPs, and work instructions. And quality control main aim is to find any defect in the product which is not visually observable. For example, if a product is manufactured and if it has some defects in its assay, mean its assay is below the range, we are not able to physically find this defect, but quality control department by performing testing of a product can easily detect that the assay of a product is lower than the defined ranges. So this is the basic difference between quality assurance and quality control. If you have any confusion, you can ask in the comment box. And till the next video, Allah Hafiz.